as old as the hills. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. As old as the hills. This timeless proverb continues to hold importance in our lives. It serves as a reminder that wisdom transcends time and that there is value in timeless lessons. To truly apply this saying to our lives, it requires a deep understanding and appreciation of its meaning. By acknowledging the wisdom of the past and applying it to our present circumstances, we can pave our way to success. It encourages us to learn from the experiences of those who came before us, to seek guidance from their teachings, and to incorporate their knowledge into our actions. By doing so, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities, discovering new ways to overcome difficulties and find luck. This proverb emphasizes the importance of patience, perseverance, and adaptability as we navigate the challenges of life. It reminds us that just as the hills have withstood the test of time, so can we if we embrace the wisdom of the ages. By seeking to learn from the past and applying those lessons to our present, we can carve a path towards success and fulfillment. So let us not overlook the immense treasure trove of knowledge that lies within the adage, as old as the hills, for it holds the key to unlocking the secrets of a prosperous life. As old as the hills are the lessons we can learn from history. Looking back, we find tales of great civilizations, wise leaders, and profound insights. It is through the teachings of the past that we can gain a deeper understanding of the present and chart a course for the future. By delving into the annals of time, we discover the secrets to success, the paths to happiness, and the keys to personal growth. This proverb reminds us that the wisdom of our ancestors can guide us through life's ups and downs. It urges us to tap into the collective knowledge of humanity and benefit from the experiences of those who have walked before us. Embracing the essence of this age-old saying allows us to enrich our lives, unlock new possibilities, and find solace in the ebbs and flows of existence. Indeed, as old as the hills reminds us that the lessons of the past have the power to shape our future, and it is up to us to embrace and embody these timeless teachings. As old as the hills, this saying continues to resonate with timeless wisdom. It serves as a reminder that the lessons learned by our ancestors hold great value and can guide us towards a fulfilling life. By embracing the essence of this age-old proverb, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. It urges us to reflect on the experiences of those who have come before us and incorporate their knowledge into our actions. This proverb highlights the importance of patience, perseverance, and adaptability as we navigate the challenges of life. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.